Alabama center Seth McLaughlin, who faced challenges with inaccurate snaps during the crucial college football playoffs against Michigan, has officially entered the transfer portal. Despite starting all 14 games in his fourth season with the Crimson Tide, McLaughlin's performance, notably a low snap on the final fourth down play in the Rose Bowl, prompted this decision.
The defeat to Michigan, with a score of 27-20 in the Rose Bowl, highlighted the snapping issues, particularly on the critical play where quarterback Jalen Milroe was stopped attempting to run up the middle. This wasn't an isolated incident, as McLaughlin had previously struggled with 2 poor snaps on a drive early in the second half, a recurring problem throughout the season. In response to queries about the persistent snapping problems, Milroe emphasized the importance of preparation in the quarterback-center relationship. Despite efforts to build rapport throughout the season, the snapping issues remained a challenge. McLaughlin, who started 25 games over the past 3 seasons and participated in 2 games in 2020, stands out as the most high-profile departure among the more than 10 Alabama players entering the transfer portal. Notable names in this group include wide receiver Ja'Cory Brooks and lacrosse player turned quarterback Tyler Buckner. Other players making the move include reserve offensive lineman Terrence Ferguson Jr., defensive backs Earl Little Jr. and Christian Story, defensive lineman Munkle Goodwine, wide receivers Malik Benson and Shaz Preston, tight end Miles Kitselman, and quarterback Eli Holstein. This exodus raises questions about the dynamics within the Alabama football program and potential impacts on the team's future performance.